6 a.m. Breakfast is at 7. I'm assuming this is the 6 a.m. alarm clock. Good morning. I wanted to talk a little bit about what happened yesterday on our day one. Now that I've had some time to resonate here at the Elephant Nature Park. It's 6:45 in the morning. We have breakfast at 7. And today at 8 o'clock this morning, we're going out to plant some trees. It was a lot yesterday. I was in bed and asleep by 8 o'clock. And I slept until my alarm, the dogs, at 6 a.m. this morning. So it was all the fresh air, I think all the stimulation, all the information was just a lot yesterday to process. So yesterday was really just getting acclimated, getting to know the people that are in our group, getting to know the sanctuary and where everything was. And last night before dinner, we had a ceremony from the ladies from the village that came up and did a dance for us and blessed us each with a bracelet that is a health and healing and protection bracelet, and then another bracelet that was made by the kids in the village. It's my green one, and then my white one. I can keep it on, well, I'm supposed to keep it on for a minimum of 3 days for the protection, but I can keep it on longer. And you're not supposed to throw it in the trash. You're supposed to throw it in the trees and kind of pass that back on. I think that's about it. All of the meals here are included and everything is vegan. So if you are a carnivore diet person, you might have to switch that up a little bit here. So 2 other things that I thought of is every elephant is assigned a mahout. And so basically that person follows the elephant around from 7 to 4:30 every single day. And just to make sure, sometimes they don't get along with each other and all of that. So that's their sole job, is literally to follow their elephant around every single day. And they do put them in a shelter pen at night at the end of the day, because the traumas that they've all suffered, they just can't be trusted to be left alone out in the fields by themselves at night without somebody watching them. Oh, good morning.
Hello. You are the birds now. Hello. How are you? Are you the one that ran away?
Oh yeah, are you in timeout?
You run away. Is that why
Oh, they're all in here. So this is where they sleep at night, obviously some of them.
I'm going to call it official name. Yes, you'll get out soon. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. I know you want to get out, but you can't. And you're not having anything after.
Ready to rock and roll, baby. If that's what you want to call it.
This $12. And we're allowed to walk down here? Yeah.
Oh, we are allowed?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll tell you later.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Oh, look, that's beautiful. Look how bright that is.
That's cool.
That's wild.
So we call them shy grass. Yeah, because they're shy.
Shy grass. Trees are all in the back of the truck. And then they make two lines, and then we just get out the truck unloaded and all of the trees put in the general location of where they're going to be planted. They're each going to grab 10 trees and take them over there and go plant them. And the elephant sanctuary just bought this extra plot of land. So we planted trees, all those little saplings, all along this water's edge. All along. So those trees will grow up and protect all along the water. I'll show you down here. So here's one of the saplings, and then there's the water flowing. So the trees will grow up all along this. Today is tree planting day, and the elephant sanctuary bought this extra land. I'm not sure how big it is. It's heard that they just bought it, so it's being developed, cleared, and the planting is going on, and it's beautiful because there's a beautiful water source that goes all the way through here. So right now there's not very much on here. They're making the road better getting up here. Well, I should say the road is really nice getting up here, but then it kind of ends, so they're doing that. And so we just, I don't know how many 1,000 trees or whatever that we've planted all along the water's edge here in this area. And I don't know if we got to go back over into the other area where we offloaded the first half of the truckload. But one thing I will say is that, like, I don't know, my emotions right now are hypersensitive because I really can't believe that this is where I'm here right at the moment. That I rode in the back of a safari truck through the mountains of northern Thailand, and I'm planting trees. And the lack of, the amount of like hands-on like work, it's not very often that you see or hear a lot of like gas-powered or electronic tools being used. A lot of it is still done by hand, which is a true testament to how hard everybody works here. Would I come back after being here just today and doing this again? I absolutely would. One of the tasks of the volunteers is to go in and fix up that mud pit when it needs it. I'm hoping it doesn't need it this week. You say you can see right back You see back where the mahout is walking, there's like a sheltered area so the mahouts can take a rest throughout the day because they do walk with their elephant pretty much 7 to 4:30. They're with their elephants when they're walking around. It's funny when they go to take their break, a lot of times when the mahouts are in the shack, that their elephant will stay right near. It's their person. And there is, you can see in the back there, here on the river, there's rafting trips that you can take. Isn't that just amazing? So when they cover themselves with mud, it can reduce their body temperature by 6 degrees. One's walking right towards me. I'm up on the skywalk right now. Show you where I'm on this platform. I really hope to learn more about their behavior while I'm here, actually, too. What are you doing? What are you doing, young lady? So they have these like stone, those are built up, they're supposed to keep the animals on the other side, but she's decided to come in between the building and the stone. Oh, so they're trying to get her back on the other side. There, she did it. Good girl. Yay. Oh my goodness. And then there's more coming to where a group is right now. It's a little overwhelming.
But it's not like scary. I think it feels very.
It's giving him a treat now.
So that is Derek. He is one of the co-founders, so she loves him, obviously.
You're all muddy.
Oh my God.
Tell you what. I'll come back in a minute.
Oh my God, I was literally like 3 feet from this elephant, y'all. My adrenaline is a little pumping because when you have 3 big elephants coming at you and you're inside their home, it's a little intimidating. So they took the 3 that were just as curious about us as we are them and moved them outside so that we can be in here, but we're still inside the pen, so you can still see an elephant right there. And there's another one over there. And then there's another one over there. So, I mean, we're in here. They're just not that one. It was like 3 or 4 feet from me. That's pretty crazy. My adrenaline is like pumping, I'm telling you right now.
That is as it is.
result, we didn't lose any elephants. We had everything matched up perfect, so it's important for us as a foundation to make sure that they're good cities. Guaranteed with no risk. They had other places not so fortunate. Small operations, maybe lost an elephant or two. This guy in the film you'll see tonight in the camp in Kanchanaburi, he had probably the biggest camp in Thailand at the time. He had over 80 elephants, I can't remember how many, which was a big camp. And a beautiful facility. Like the area that he is a beautiful river. It was a working camp, and he had 23 elephants confiscated. That's a lot, out of 80.
Oh my God. This is a family of 9. Wow. Just for perspective, I'm like 20 feet away, everybody.
Saw that before. That's only a wee one compared to the last one I saw.